Assalamualaikum world GSM friend. Today's subject two mobile. At first new mobile, one mobile OPPO A93s 5G PFGM00 scatter fly plus file 100% update firmware okay. If mobile hang logo dead mode declare auto on off others problem that is DM verify fail, image fail, this file 100% working. This file is scatter file. Okay. Android version 11 full backup scatter file. Download now. Any problem, email and WhatsApp 24-hour service. But this file, fade file, no confuse. This file 100% working, dead mode repair, auto on off, hang logo, image fail, others problem this solved, this file download. Next, Redmi 13C 5G ear convert to China to global, locket bootloader 100% tested. Now see any GSM by request. This file YouTube and Google post now. This file download. This file fed file and no confuse. This file is working 100% tested. No problem. MTK CPU. This file and 100% working. I am promise this file 100% tested. No confuse. Any problem? Email and WhatsApp are now 24-hour service. At first, my friend, all GSM friend, at first my YouTube channel subscriber, like and comment and Facebook share. Next time in WhatsApp emoji now. My YouTube channel description learning and comment box check now. Why no link description? I am very sorry. YouTube rules and no link, just link, comment box check now. Any link emergency, but any browser open. Okay. Now see Google browser open and right now Varsha mobile. This Varsha mobile, blogger search and click now this file, this right now, this model right now. 13C. Now see magics. Okay, search now. Okay, now see. Okay. Okay. Clear. This file download. Any file is download. Any file is your emergency need. Just this phone, this model right now. Any file. Okay. Good night. Next time you see WhatsApp email.